Did I? Or should I get a shot of you do it? Oh no. Oh, it's too late. Alright, it's this building here, so.
Land in that middle bit.
The hell? Now I'm sniping.
We got contact over here. Smoked an enemy drone.
Smoke this
How
guy.
does he see me?
Dead already.
He's dead.
Get those sons of bitches.
They didn't run all the way up here just to get me, did they? The thing I don't like is you line down here, you can't get a cinematic view because it's all black and white while you're dead.
Keep your heads down.
Where? Okay.
Fancy.
Okay, boys, let's get.
Who's saying it? Oh, we want to get in that court, yeah.
Let's end this quick. Hostile is hit. Repeat. Hostile is hit.
Behind you.
They just spawn on us.
Yeah, man.
What is this hospital?
Alright, I'm going down the stairs. Oh, jeez.
I'm going in. Hey, you want to get the dirt? Take him out. Take him out.
I can't actually see him. Where?
He's still there. He's slowly coming up the stairs.
I can't actually see him. Where?
Got a minigun. He's still there. He's slowly coming up the stairs.
Oh, dude. I dropped off the side of the staircase and there was a drone outside shooting me.
There's a guy coming in. Oops,
Ah! Alright, let me get a
Is that a gun?
cinematic shot. Have you taken off? Right, go.
That gun seat?
Where's the enemy? Oh yeah, mine is, but you have to hold it down. There's a minigun. It's hard to hit.
Get that drone. I'm dead.
It's hard to hit.
Oh.
Oh, I'm still alive in here. Okay. I survived that crash. I know it. Oh, here's a drone bolter. These guys can.
Shit.
The dot disappears when I walk away, and I'm not sure where I should be in it.
Stay focused.
Or maybe inside.
Oh, yes.
The trains are too dangerous. Oh, dude.
Shit.
Oh, yeah, we're going in there.
Oh,
Look around for stuff before you just rolling in.
well, I was told you were everyone else.
Kind of, yeah.
I go to the pool. Oh, snipers that start from.
Dead? That guy's invisible.
So he's not even there on my screen.
If it's desynced, then you got to ping the right spot. Because I can't see it.
Yeah, but I don't know what the... Yeah, I've shot him.
That's satisfying. Where's the basement door?
Are these staircases? Sleeping.
Very dark, isn't it? Like, is there a torch?
Not sure. It's not on
No, I
the
turned
headlight button, I think.
I turned what I thought was HDR off. It's still like going dark when you're walking.
Yeah.
The hell is this place?
Just like super soldier area.
I'm just staring at a stick.
Sorry.
Oh, I was looking the other way. Wait.
Huh?
Get down, Zoom! I got eyes on hostile!
Very. My video task could be this crazy guy keeps blowing up my vehicles. You wouldn't believe how crazy this guy.
Where have you been?
I,
Died 10 times.
visited your husband.
I didn't.
What is that supposed to mean?
Get on it, get on it.
You kidding?
That's Beanie Hat.
Going someplace?
Sentinel patrols are getting close. We need to relocate.
You must have hurt him pretty bad to have them come after you. What's an outfit like that doing on a row anyway?
What the hell? You just shot me.
I think they're dead. Are they dead? No, there's one there.
One of them went.
There's a guy on the right. More left, more left.
Searching another laptop.
Did you keep on coming on the stairs?
We gotta go back to the beanie guy.
Oh, well.
Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm in one piece. I found a workshop. Maybe it was yours. There were some blueprints Paula had drawn.
There isn't time. That Sentinel platoon took some of our supplies. Critical supplies. We won't survive without them. Please, help us get them back.
I've knocked it over. Destroy it.
Oh, do I have to destroy
Oh
it?
wait, no, we have to capture it. Capture it.
I'm shooting these other guys.
There's a drone shooting me. Dude, I need a guy to stop the car.
How would I stop them?
I don't know. Ah, I've lost my vehicle. Chase after it, say. Stop it.
How do I stop them?
We need it. We need that thing.
I sort of stopped it, ish.
There's no random vehicles to take now.
Come on, get some! That motherfucker.
I'm in
Enough
it.
Madeira's battery power here to blow up the entire island.
Oh, you in it? Okay, now you have to take it back the other way to where that guy was, I think. I bet I can get there first. If I take the right road. Uh-oh, I snapped it. I got stuck on it.
You stuck. Oh, the
I
dot's
got
right
a
there.
grenade stuck on a rock. The truck was stuck on a grenade.
You destroyed it. We failed.
The lab was supposed to be empty. We were given bad information.
You two are idiots.
The rumors. But Haruhi and Daigoro never heard anyone.
Well, they didn't mean to.
But they did. Let's go to Jace.
I think. Especially since I chucked 10 grenades at me. I'm dead.
But the quest is over here.
Plane's broken.
Oh, there's helicopters following me. I destroyed 2 containers, it's sending me to another one.
Finished.
Sure you want to destroy the schematics? There is some good that could come from your invention.
Where's it going this time? I'm in a snowy area.
Seriously. How did I miss? It was guided.
Another one behind you. Oh, there's 3 more behind you.
Oh, the rockets keep missing.
2 guys just spawned right next to me.
Dude. Another one. It just rammed me. I can't see. Two out of 2, but I've died. You go resist. It's just further. Oh wait, it's saved. Yeah, it saves the objective. It's just sending us back to the main bay. That's the heli landing spot.